Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Momomakeup here. I was lucky enough to get the Beautylish Lucky Bag of 2019. I picked up the $75 version, so I am going to open this with you guys and do a first impressions of everything that I got. I have no idea what's in here, so I'm super anxious to open this up. You guys have no idea. So if you're interested to see what's inside this box, then please keep on watching. Let's get into it. First things first, I have to use my scissors to get it open. So there was some controversy and drama surrounding this year's Lucky Bags. So what Beautylish did was they sent out an email to all of the people who have their email entered, like a beautylish.com account. So you got early VIP access to the bags. And what happened was they sent out this early VIP access a day early, and these bags literally sold out the same day within minutes. People were pissed, and rightfully so, because it's not like everybody really had a fair chance of even getting one. I think they should have maybe set a certain amount aside, maybe for the people who were not on the email list, so that they had a chance the following day, the day they're actually scheduled to launch, to pick one up. Here is what the inside looks like. And there's a little note here, I'll read you what it says. Lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The sumo wrestlers, or rikishi, on this year's Lucky Bags are said to bring good luck and fortune. We hope the surprises inside make your 2019 a little more lucky. Okay, so that's the little note that Beautylish sent with the product. So when I open it up, I'm nervous, y'all. Oh my god, please be good. Okay, this feels heavy as hell. And there's, okay, so this is it. This is what came in the box right here. By the way, my box weighed 1.6 pounds. So let's see. Oh my god, please be good. I purposely withheld myself from watching anybody else's unboxing videos because I thought I want to be completely surprised. Okay, cool. Okay, so how I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna go through each of the products and I'm going to list the price right here, how much it retails for and what exactly it is, so you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. This, the first thing I see, has a little sleeve on it that says coming soon. Okay. So when I take the sleeve off and take a look, it is from a brand called Good Molecules. It is their Wake Up Eye Serum, formulated with caffeine and pumpkin extract to brighten, firm, and depuff. I've never heard of Good Molecules before, but this is apparently a new item that is coming soon to Beautylish, so that is very exciting. That's awesome. Wow, okay. The next item is a Wayne Goss number 10 brush. It did come with the plastic on top, but here it is. Oh, it feels so soft. I'm assuming this is like a highlight brush, some type of powder brush. I'm gonna have to look into that to see exactly what they recommend using it for, but there it is, the Wayne Goss brush number 10. Next is from the brand Oribe. This is their Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. It's always good to have some extra dry shampoo on hand. And I'm actually almost out of mine, so this is perfect. This is 1.3 ounces of product. Okay, next is from Benefit. This is their Real Mascara. There it is, it's full size. I have tried this mascara before. I've also purchased the primer with it, the lash primer. It's okay. It's always nice to get a good mascara, even if it's not one that you're crazy about, because mascaras are relatively expensive. Stop! Oh my god, I never picked this up and I always wanted it. Okay. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Palette. This is awesome. There are what the shades look like for anybody who hasn't seen this, if you're living under a rock. The Anastasia Soft Glam Palette. Woo -woo. one more item here. It's something from Becca. I can't really see because they send it in this plastic wrap. Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Prismatic Amethyst. A creamy, luminizing powder that veils skin in a soft, pearlized glow with a lustrous velvet finish. Let's see what shade this is. Ooh, the compact is pretty. Typical Becca packaging with the chrome and then like a brushed chrome finish with the Becca logo. Oh, this is beautiful. Ooh. Oh, you guys. Comes with a mirror. Hello. Oh, yeah. Okay, we're gonna have to swatch. There's what it looks like on the finger. Oh, yeah. That's gorgeous. And that is perfect for my skin tone. By the way, I am the light medium version of the Lucky Bag, so. Wow, okay. Wow, okay. All right, final thoughts. I am going to leave the total value of my box right here in the middle of the screen. I already can tell just by looking at this stuff, I already have a good idea that this is well worth the money that I paid. Like I said, the Lucky Bag I picked up was $75, and I am so happy with this. This is what I'm talking about. See, this is why I wasn't a huge fan of Jeffree Star's first mystery box, because I felt like he put things in that box that were sitting on the shelves, that were not high selling items. Nothing in there was really new that I got in my box. But this, like an item that's coming soon, like that is what I'm talking about. Like people want to get new stuff. They don't want to get stuff that's been like, that doesn't sell. So I'm so happy I picked this up, you guys. I'm definitely looking forward to picking this up again next year. And I hope that you guys enjoyed my unboxing of the Beautylish Lucky Bag 2019 version. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you liked this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you picked up the Lucky Bag. Was anything that you got different from what I got? Now I'm gonna have to go and binge watch unboxing videos so I can see what everybody else got in their Lucky Bag. Alright guys, take care and have a good night or day wherever you are, and I will see you next time. Bye!